Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on Google Pixel 9. Open Google Wallet, it's here, and you can see that I already have some loyalty cards. You can click on them and they either display a barcode or a QR code or just the number, and click on add to wallet to add a loyalty card, then click on loyalty, and now you can either choose a service that's popular nearby or search for a service yourself, but I'm gonna add this one. You can scan a barcode from the physical card or enter manually. Then add to wallet, and now it's gonna display the card. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.